Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you are authorized to remove protection. Open the workbook and note whether Excel asks to unprotect a sheet or to decrypt the entire file. These are different fixes. Once done, search OneDrive/SharePoint/file history for an earlier, unprotected copy. Make sure to save a copy of the protected file before any action. This preserves data if a removal attempt fails, and it gives you a recovery point to revert to immediately. Next, address the specific protection. If it's only a protected sheet, choose Review then Unprotect Sheet and enter the password if you remember it. This is the simplest route. If the whole workbook is encrypted, stop and use the Microsoft Account Recovery flow for the file owner. This restores credentials without bypassing security. If the file was shared in a team, reach out to the original author or your IT administrator to request an authorized unlock or a copy. Finish by restoring from a backup or an earlier version if the authorized recovery path fails. This gets you back to a working file. Make sure to escalate to your organization's IT or contact Microsoft support when you cannot prove ownership. They guide secure recovery without breaking protections. If you regain access, update your password practices. Document the change, use a password manager, and confirm shared access rights so you avoid similar lockouts in the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.